friends, and welcome back to our channel. I don't want to say my channel anymore because this isn't really my channel, this is our channel. And I have a new subscription in the mail today, and it is the Glitz Glam Box. So like I was saying, I got this new subscription in the mail. This was, I'm pretty sure, $14.95 a month, and I saw this reviewed on Just Ann's site, and I really wanted to get into it for myself and see what it was about, so let's jump right in. So when you open the box, it looks like this, and it does have a card and little pretty stringies that are coming all over me. Let's see. And it says Glitz Glam Box, glam all over the world. And it just lets you know what's inside, and on the back it has their Facebook, their Instagram, their YouTube, and their Twitter account. And on the back it says code sub40 for 40% off of glitter orders. So that is awesome. I cannot wait to get into this box. So it comes all pretty. Look at this. It is gorgeous. I mean, for attention to detail, like, this is absolutely gorgeous. I love all the little stringies and all the tissue paper. It's beautiful. I like it when companies make you feel like you're very important, and so far that's how I feel. Just picking up all these little things are all over me, all over my desk. Oh, look, I love the little camper on the thing. And it says Happy Detour, and it's got a cute little camper on the front. So I don't want to ruin the stickers, they're too cute. So I'm gonna slowly try to not ruin them. Yep, got it. So I'm gonna open it up. Ooh, this is exciting. So, and the first thing I see is this Glitz Glam glitter shot. Oh, I love these colors, they're gorgeous. Let's see if I can open this up a little bit and show you guys. Look at that. Oh, that will look so pretty on the face or on the body. So let me try to get it all back in the container so I don't waste any of it, because I'm gonna be covered in glitter. Let's see it. The next, I have these Milante Beauty eyelashes, and oh, those are beautiful too. I'm not one that wears a lot of eyelashes, but it's something I probably should get into. I have so many of them, but I just never end up putting them on. But those, they're gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, love it. Let's see, what else do I see? Ooh, I see a Kohl Eye Pencil Crayon, and that is what it looks like. And this is in Jenny. Let's do a little swatcheroo. Oh, that is so creamy. Look at that. Look how creamy that is. And it's got like little flecks of like gold in it too. I love this. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. I am so definitely going to use that. Do you see the tip of that? You see the little specks of gold? Wow, this box is amazing so far. And the next thing I see, we have a palette, and it's London Metropolis 14 color eyeshadow palette, and it's by Rude. Let's see, let's open her up. I love the packaging on that. It's gorgeous. Look at that. Oh wow, these are gorgeous colors. Look at that. Wow. They look like they're all shimmers, but I'm okay with that. I have a lot of transition colors anyways, or mattes, and so I want to swatch some of these because, oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Because I've never heard of this brand before, so let's see. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at those. Look at the pigmentation on this. That is beautiful. I can't believe we got a palette in a $14.95 subscription box. So, oh my gosh, I want to swatch a couple more of these colors too. I'm trying to clean off my fingers a little bit. So, let's see. That one's really pretty too. Oh, they're all gorgeous. And there's the rest of them swatched. So you cannot beat this. The pigmentation, especially, like this one is amazing. This one is amazing. So I'm not complaining. I think this is a great box. This is a very new company, and they're really starting to get out with a bang, because I'm not complaining. I love the eyeshadow palette. I will use it all the time. This is gorgeous. I've never seen a eye crayon with glitter, like that gold glitter inside of it. It's beautiful, like the way the light hits it and it shines. I like the lashes. I gotta learn to use lashes. So, and this is amazing too, this glitter shot. So I will definitely be using this. This is totally up my alley. So, and if you guys are wondering what I use on my eyes today, I got back into the new Tarte palette. This is the High Times and Good Vibes palette. So what I'm wearing today, let me see if I can find that card so I can cover it up so I'm not blinding you guys. So I went into the color Beach Therapy for my transition. I also have Self Beach on. I have Dive In, Surfs Up. I use the Turtlet too as well. And then I'm using the, let's see, the Buried Gold. I love this palette. It's beautiful. Like, so this is the third time that I have used this palette and I can't say anything bad about it. And the smell. If you guys don't know what Tarte smells like, smell it. You won't be disappointed. They smell amazing. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys will give it a like. I hope you guys will subscribe to this channel and ring the bell so you'll be notified every single time that I upload a new video. I hope you guys have a wonderful and a magical day, and I will see you guys next in my next video. Bye.